Does your vision require a pep talk every time you share it? Then it's not contagious, it's a campaign. Here's the thing: belief doesn't spread because you say it louder, it spreads because someone felt it deeper. Your people don't need more hype, they deserve proof that you believe it enough to embody it. Buy in doesn't begin when they agree with you, it begins when they see you living what you say. Hey, Meshell Baker, your Chief Confidence Igniter. Shared purposes is never an accident. It's an intentional outcome of a leader who communicates with clarity, models with consistency, and listens with care. You want people to catch the vision? Then make it feel safe to believe. Make it exciting to participate. Make it real enough to risk discomfort for. Buy in isn't about being the loudest voice in the room, it's about being the most aligned one. Stop pushing the vision like a brochure. Start broadcasting it with how you show up, speak up, and stay grounded, especially when it's difficult. According to Gallup 2024 State of the Global Workplace report, only 31% of US employees are engaged at work, while 17% are actively disengaged. In other words, when people cannot see themselves in the vision, they disconnect from the mission. Now, here's your core reminder: a vision people can't see themselves in is just a poster on the wall. Buy in isn't a result of how passionate you are, it's the result of how clearly and consistently you invite others to co own a mission. When people feel seen, heard, and valued, they move from passive compliance to powerful contribution. So, your action step this week: choose one place this week, a meeting, a message, or a moment to publicly connect the dots between your vision and their contribution. Say their name, celebrate their effort, show them they matter to the mission. That's how belief spreads. The vision doesn't need more words, it needs more witnesses. When you live it boldly and share it meaningfully, you won't need to sell it, they will catch it. I'm Meshell Baker, the Chief Confidence Igniter and Transformational Speaker. If this message inspired you, pass it on. Let someone else feel seen, steady, and strong today. And until next week, be the reason someone feels confident and delivers excellence.